So friends, welcome to my rooftop gardening. Today my focus of talk is how to utilize the waste plastic material for for cultivation or doing the kitchen gardening to produce the vegetables. You can see here. This is a gunny bag, and it is filled with plants of carrot. This is another gunny bag that we get while purchasing the rice or pulses. And again here we have utilized it for producing the carrot. I'm just taking out one carrot, though it is immature, but you can see the thickness. You can see the thickness of the carrot. If I am able to focus, yeah, this is the thickness of the carrot, and of course it is still growing. Then this is another plastic polythene bag. In this we in fact cultivated radish. Of course we have taken out, and generally we put 2 or 3 crops together. It's a kind of mixed farming. So if one crop fails, the another will take care of your losses. So we utilize this space for producing the radish that we have taken. Now it is left with tomato, and you can see here tomatoes, the berries, they are growing, and it's a very good plant here. So maybe within 15-20 days, as the temperature picks up, it will start bearing the fruits. Now again, this is another gunny bag here. See, and this we have utilized for producing the this is called turnip. You can see this is the gunny bag, and I am just removing one turnip. For you can see the thickness of this turnip. See, this is a excellent growth you will get. And so this is the another gunny bag we utilize for producing the turnip. And this is lettuce here. These are the lettuce plants. Regularly we take their leaves for eating. So we have removed some of the leaves. So this is another plant. Then again you can see here, this is radish. It's very beautiful, this plant, and see the peculiar red color of this radish. This seed I procured from IRI. So you can see, and it matures very fast. Maybe I think around within 30 days it attains this size, and then you can remove. This doesn't require much soil and much space, and it grows very well again in polythene. And this polythene you can see here. And now I am focusing on the three vegetables which I have just now removed in front of you. So I am putting them together. Then this is the chili. This is the chili plant again. Some waste has been utilized for growing this chili. You can see this chili, and it is bearing the fruits. And you see the color of this chili is totally black color, and fruits are very black. Then this is the bottle, plastic bottle, which is again a waste kind of material that we use for cultivating the brinjal. So right now it is not bearing the fruits, and it has just started reviving after winter, but we have efficiently utilized the space here. You see, in addition to brinjal, we put the radish. So I'm just taking out one radish out of it, and you can see the thickness of this radish. So excellent roots, and organically produced, need not to go market, and it's very kind of you can utilize your time for doing this kind of gardening. So instead of losing your time in watching the TV and all that, if you engage yourself in these kind of things, it is a very good time pass. And also, see, this is another root of radish. Just I am removing in front of you. So this is what just I wanted to share you and share with you, and the message is how best you can utilize the waste material which you are getting, maybe polythene bags, large polythene bags, or plastic bottles, or these bags which you get while purchasing the groceries and all that, for growing the vegetables. And efficiently you can utilize your time for doing all these things. It's a very good kind of refreshing, entertaining things. So now this is the final shot. See, this is the radish, and then carrot, black radish, and white radish and red radish, then carrot, and then turnip. So I hope this will motivate you to do something at your house or wherever you have the space. Even in little bit space you can do these kind of things. See how and this is organically produced. I am showing you. This is the pot which has been used for keeping. These are the used tea leaves. After making the tea, my wife, she preserves them, and then she converts them into organic manure. This is what you can see. These are the peels of the pea. So again, it's a full of bucket. We are not throwing it out, and all these things, they are being utilized by her for preparing this manure to put them in these kind of things. We do not use the chemical fertilizers. So this is what just I wanted to show with you. I have got a very good tomato plant here. Again, this is on, see the fruits, the kind of fruits which it is bearing, and see. So this is possible. This is very much possible. See the fruits. See the fruits here, and this is in one pot. Some of the fruits we have already removed. More than a kg. More than a kg this plant bore the tomato fruits. Some we have removed and some are still there. Then we have put in gunny bags. These are the again tomato plants. Then again here they are bearing the fruits. So for today, this is what just I wanted to share with you. Hope you will emulate at your residence also. and utilize your time fruitfully. So thank you very much.